Sairam dear children, today I am teaching Pottery Class 3 EVS Part 1 Chapter 14. So let us have the introduction. So pottery, what is the meaning of pottery? So when the early man started to live in a civilized way, he felt the need of pots. So this need took him to the invention of pots with the hand itself. He started to prepare pots with the hand. So the pots were not very fine. So when they invented the pots, that pots were not fine, but they were using clay to make pots. Okay. So the pots were not very fine as the wheel was not invented. So like this you can see that pots were not so fine. After that, later the invention of wheel, potters began to give shape to the clay into fine piece of pottery. So then the invention of this wheel made us to get a good piece of pots. So pottery is the art of making pots from clay. Okay. So you can see the different designs made from that wheel. The dough of clay is the raw material for pottery. This is the only raw material for pottery. So this is that dough. Okay. So the potter puts it on the wheel and shapes it with his skills. So with his skill he shapes that pots. See, whatever design you want, he will shapes with that. Okay. So then he dries them in sun and then places in fire to make them more strong. So see, sun, he will dry in sun and then fire to make it strong. Okay. So he also decorate them with his creativity. So this creativity also, some of them will do paintings also on that. So thus we get the beautiful piece of pottery. Okay. So these are the some examples of pottery. Gahara, its name is Gahara. This shape we call it as Gahara. Handi, Kulhad, so etc. are the names of different pots, and this is Gulak is the main attraction for children because they will save the coins in this. Okay, this is the very famous for children. Understood children? So summary, we had the introduction about the pot, clay and the dough, wheel and their creativity. Since we get the beautiful piece of pot. Okay. So now we have questions section. First question, what is pottery? Second question, what is clay art? Third question, dash is the main attraction for children. Fourth question, the potter puts it on the dash and shapes it with his skills. Fifth question, list some articles made of clay that you see even today. When you go outside, you may see in the market there are many things nowadays which are made out of clay. So you can see them and list down. This you have to do yourself, or you can write what all things you have in your home, the things made out of clay, you can list down. Okay, so write down all these questions in your classwork and answer it, children. Okay, keep practicing. Thank you.